So nature makes me feel relaxed. But another thing, the most time-consuming thing is the road. So you can lose lots of opportunities to see the beautiful world that surrounds you. We're just waiting on the road. The Cupid Electric has completely changed my camping experience. Its battery life very strong, and I can easily travel to long distances, even travel mountains with only one charge, which is good. Also, the bike's configurations are very good, and the shock absorbers are very flexible as well. Overall, this bike is a small beast that can easily handle various roads. It gives me a feeling of being stable, which is quite good for me. I can effortlessly reach my destination and enjoy all the stunning scenery. Additionally, due to the long battery life, I never have to worry about running out of battery. So this bike makes camping easy and gives me more time to enjoy outdoor activities.